Hi guys, this is a Dollar Tree and Family Dollar haul. I didn't get a lot of stuff from Family Dollar, but I gotta hurry up because my battery's about to die. Okay, so first off, I picked up this mug, and this was on my wish list. They had a pink one with a heart, but it had a big old chip in it, and I didn't want that. So I got the XOXO with the little red hearts from Family Dollar. Alright, and then I also got me some socks from Family Dollar. It was 2 in a pack for $3. So I got these XO with the hearts, the pink and the red and white. And then I got these pink, white, and the darker pink with the heart. Alright. And then I got these gray and white and pink with the heart. Alrighty. Then the pink and white ones with the XOXO. So that's what I got from Family Dollar. And now I'm going to go to my wish list stuff. So for my wish list stuff, I found this at my Dollar Tree. This is the I Love You cookie cutter. Looks like that. Alrighty. The other wish list item was the baskets. I got 2 of the baskets. It's 2 for $1.25. So I was able to find these, and I got an idea for these. I'm not going to make a Valentine's gift basket, but I want this for my other channel for something. Okay, so I got that. Alright. Then I picked up a vase, and I got some flowers. So I got this glass vase, and these are the flowers that I picked. I got those right there. And then these. And then another one like that. And these are for my office. I just need to cut the stuff off. I had something similar to this in my other office, but I don't know where it is. Alright. And then I got these. These are on the wish list. I was able to find these. One of them is open, so you can see it is a red color. So I opened one to see what it looks like, and then I might throw this one away. And then I picked up some lash glue, and I got 2 things of lashes. And these are the Ioni Natural Light Wispy. I tell my girls I'm going to try to do lashes again. Alright. This wasn't wish list, but I need another one of these, so I got me a rose gold pen. I think I left mine at the grocery store or something. This was on my wish list. This is a heart sponge, and I wanted to find this. I found that the other day. Alright. I usually get socks every season, so these are my socks for Valentine's Day, and these say hug it out. So these are knee-high socks. These are new at my Dollar Tree. They're called Color Vibe. This one is called Meow. This is like a Pepto-Bismol pink, I guess. Alright, and then the next one is Bubblicious. And this is like a Barbie and bubblegum pink. And then this one is called Cleopatra. And this reminds me of Strawberry Jam from Clean Color, and I can't find that color, so this is the closest thing I could find to it. I'm probably going to get another one of these. Maybe 2 more of these. I like this color. Then I got my cat some treats. I had these last year, so I got some more of those. And then I picked up this can. This is really cute. It says, "Hey, you're cute." So I picked this up. I could probably put some cookies or some whatever in here. Alright, and I think that is everything that I picked up for my wish list and stuff I needed to get. Oh, I always forget stuff. This is not very important, but I got some more nail glue because I glue my nails on, so some more super glue. And that is this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in my next video.